The innovative 3-in-1 cosmetology system UMS-HF5 is presented to the attention of cosmetologists on the EMS Beauty website. The concept of 4D HIFU is at the heart of this device. HIFU stands for High Intensity Focused Ultrasound. Its peculiarity is that the impact is aimed at collagen fibers. The heat of ultrasound stimulates the compression of the fibers and the tightening of the skin. The effect of the application is growing over the next few months. Collagen is intensively synthesized and the skin is noticeably rejuvenated, and the result obtained lasts from 1 to 3 years. This model is equipped with Vmax cartridges. They allow you to deliver energy more accurately locally for a long time without causing pain to surrounding tissues. The peculiarities of this 3-in-1 UMS-HF5 system are that with the help of this equipment, you can perform 3 types of different procedures: body shaping, facial rejuvenation, and vaginal rejuvenation. A set of cartridges that come with the device provides treatment of even the most delicate areas, such as the wings of the nose or in front of the orbital area. Information about the entire process is displayed on the touch screen in real time. Processing can be paused if necessary in the middle of the process. The small size of the device will be an excellent choice even for small offices. Order the 3-in-1 beauty device UMS-HF5 in the EMS Beauty online store.